Tools for audio collaboration.
Synth, my favorite. You might not know it actually, or you might do, but it's one of the less famous ones. I like Synth because students only need a code and a web link to join. No need to use emails, which is very good, mostly when it comes to student privacy, but also because it suits younger students that don't have an email account. Actually, Synth is a podcasting tool for education, but I think it works really well for music lessons if you use it as a call and response tool. For example, let's say you have a music lesson and afterwards you want your student to record a certain difficult passage on the violin or piano, whatever, that you highlighted during the lesson. You want them to record it and send it to you. So they won't need to use an email for that. They can use Synth. And then with Synth, you can record a reply to it and it will stay on the platform. So it's good to communicate through audio. It's a bit like WhatsApp vocal messaging, but a bit more professional, and it suits musical instrument playing more because they don't have to press the button on the phone whilst they try to play the violin or whatever. But let's see how it works. Basically, I've already created a podcast here. The so-called synth are the things you add to the podcast. So maximum recording time. Doing second to minutes is 256 seconds. Yes, 4 minutes 26. Enough time for them to record the difficult passage or to ask you questions about it. So let's start recording. Turu, turu, tu, turu. I can play it back. Oh, whoa, let's re-record it. I didn't play it back. Turu, turu, tu, turu. Turu, turu, tu, turu. Beautiful. Now, let's say that we're done. Next. Route or route? Oh yeah, I think it's because it's translating what I was singing, trying to translate. So turu, turu, route, route. And this is a pretty good thing about Synth, actually, that let's say you're not playing the violin or whatever in your audio recording, or the student isn't, they just want to ask you a question using their voice. Well, Synth has a pretty good transcription system, audio transcription system. So, but let's sing. Okay, I can even add hashtags, but yeah, I can even add a link to it. Next, send. Okay, so here's my synth. Turu, turu, tu, turu. You might have started wondering, why did the SpongeBob theme tune was playing before my beautiful singing? That was the SpongeBob theme tune, by the way, the one you heard on the ukulele. It's because you can assign a personal tune, personal audio intro to yourself. And that's pretty handy if you have like a classroom, I don't know, of 10 students that need to record different singing parts or to ask different questions about a certain musical passage. Well, if you have a class of 10 students doing that, you can even recognize them by their introductory audio they assign to themselves. Okay, but let's say I'm a student, right? And I want to ask something. So basically, if I'm the teacher, I copy the web link, log in or sign up to follow participate. So here I can click, if I'm a student, I use the link, I can click on session only. I will need the code, which is this one. Let's copy it. Oh, my name. Yeah, so SpongeBob has joined. And session only means that all of this is valid for 30 days. But then again, no need for an email. Big plus. So let's say I'm a student now. I'm a student. I can start recording. Hi, is this how SpongeBob goes? Alright, I've asked the teacher if that's how SpongeBob goes. Is this how SpongeBob goes? Wow, pretty good audio transcription, right? Next, send. Nice, okay. So if I'm the teacher and I go back to my account, let's refresh it. And I can now see that SpongeBob, the student, has posted this. Hi, is this how SpongeBob goes?